Abe's getting
Montana fisherman hooks himself a big one. Okay, I'll hold these for you, mate. What is that, a saw you're using? Cut yourself loose. Okay, you need some help. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, we're heading out for the new trip.
Hey, is that EP Rockstar James?
Okay, here we are, getting ready to go. Esther and Abe. Well, here we're getting ready to do a little fishing at Fish Creek. This is Esther and Abe Willows.
Okay, that's enough. Now let's go back here. We're done.
Someone made some beautiful fish hooks over there. Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah, fly fishing's always fascinated me. I would tie the flies even though I never went fly fishing. Or tried to
Have you tied flies before?
Well, back in the pink house, there was your kid. I just took it out and started messing around with it, and you showed me like one or two. And
Oh yeah?
yeah, I never really got very good at it, but needed some guidance.
Nice.
Definitely has an artistic aspect to it.
I've got my kit going again, and I've even tied flies myself now.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we're about to locate our private beach. Abe making some exploration. Private island. Even neater. Esther and Abe discovered a pretty awesome little perch here. See any fish swimming by?
Little one, you gotta come into this deep part.
Okay, you ready?
Okay, we're ready, Abe. Beautiful dives. Hardly made a splash.
God, nice!
Is it chilly, Abester?
Woo! That's a little cold, not sure. Woo!
I wish I had goggles. Oh, sit back and change.
Abe getting ready to plunge into a beautiful mountain lake.
And it's got a great big rhino horn on the other end there by Esther.
This horn's so cool.
Yeah, isn't that nice? You're gonna have to move that chip.
Looks like a cheap place.
Jumping in your whitey tighties.
This video is gonna. Oh. Careful, Pop.
There's a nice big,
It is a nice big trout.
big fat trout. Very nice.
Lots of little fishes over here. I guess the big fishes are just further out.
It's my beautiful daughter Esther fishing. Trolling on Lake McDonald.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel